everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make NEGI SHIO. It's very simple Leek sauce. Today, I'm having it with some tofu, but it's good with pork, chicken, and seafood. It's super easy to make, too easy almost, and it's great for make-ahead. So when I get a big bundle of negi, Japanese leek, I make a lot of the sauce and keep it in the fridge so that I can have it anytime I want to. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. Negi, Japanese leek, sesame oil, salt, and black pepper. It's just random amount of everything. Let's mince the leek. Make some slits. And slice. Make some slits. And slice. And just keep doing this to the end. And put it in the bowl. Put sesame oil. I put about 3 tablespoons. Some salt. And black pepper. Mix it well. And it's done. Super easy. Make sure to make it salty, especially when you're having it with tofu. Tofu is very plain, so you need something salty to eat with. If you think it's too salty when you taste it by itself, that's the right saltiness for tofu. As I said, I'm having it with some tofu, deep fried tofu to be precise. So let's cut it into blocks. I have 2. Let's just put it in the bowl. Cover it. And microwave to heat it up. Put some sauce. And enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!